Welcome. Let's look at how to create a manual enroll group in MySeneca. After you've logged into MySeneca and selected your course, you will find the Groups tool in the Control panel under Users and Groups. Expand Users and Groups and then select the Groups link. The Groups page will appear. This is where you can create and manage your course groups. To create a single manual enroll group, make sure Edit mode is on and then mouse over the Create button and select Manual Enroll under the Single Group column. The Create Group form will appear. The first thing to do is to provide some information about the group. Let's give our group a name, a description, and make sure it is available to students. This group is going to explore Titan, one of the many moons of Saturn. Next, let's double check that the group is visible to students, and it is. And then let's select the online tools that the students have access to. Students will be given time in class to work on the group project, so we're going to give them only the essential tools that they'll need. We'll give them access to email, file exchange, and tasks, and we'll turn off blogs, discussion board, journals, and the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra tool. We will keep the Wiki tool because that is where we want students to document their progress and publish their final report. We'll make the project wiki worth 20 points. A grade center column will be automatically created, and we can add a rubric should we wish. We want to keep the group interface as simple as possible for students, especially if it's their first time using the tool. So we're going to turn off personalization, but we are going to create a smart view for the group, which will make grading much easier. Then we're going to add students to the group. Clicking the Add Users button will give us a list of students enrolled in the course. Let's put Linda, Ashley, and Jennifer in this group. Select them and click Submit. Our selected users now appear in the membership list. And the last thing we need to do is click Submit to save our group settings. The group now appears on our Groups page. If we wanted to make changes, we can click the chevron beside the group name and then click Edit Group. The group form will reappear, and we can scroll through the settings and make any changes we want. For example, let's say we wanted to replace Linda with another student. Clicking the X beside Linda's name will remove her from the group. Then we can click Add Users to select her replacement. In this case, we'll select Hannah and then click Submit. You can now see that Hannah has replaced Linda in this group. Click Submit again to save the settings. There is another way to change the membership of a group other than going through the Edit Group option. If we click the All Users link in the top right corner of our Groups page, we'll see a list of students in our class. This list will show which students are in which group. To add a student to a group, click the Add to Group link beside the student's name. Then select the group to add that person to, and then click Submit. Here we can see that Kevin has now become part of the Titan group. For a quick summary of what we've done so far, with Edit mode on, we can click the chevron beside the group name and then Open Group. This will give us a quick snapshot of the group properties. We can see who's enrolled in the group and the tools they have available to them. When it comes time to grade students in a group, we can do so by clicking the chevron beside the group name and then Open Smart View, which we created earlier when we set up the group. The Grade Center will appear, showing only those students enrolled in the group. We can then locate the column associated with this group's project and enter the grades accordingly. If you need further assistance with the Group tool in MySeneca, please don't hesitate to contact the Teaching and Learning Center. Thanks for watching.